Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing? Today we are in our back garden planting wide brim hostas in front of our blue hydrangeas. They're just starting to begin to bloom, and I think they're going to be blue this year. And I'll explain how I fertilized those a little bit later. However, this whole area has begun to take a big transformation, and I'll make sure I insert pictures, photos of what it used to look like when we first started planting this area. Last year, when I did a video of them being blue, part of them were blue, part of them were a little bit more purple. And I think I said during that video that one of the nurseries had suggested that instead of giving them a one dose of soil acidifier, that I kind of spread it out over a period of months. And I did do that this last year. I started in November and I stopped in March. Each month, I gave them a little bit of soil acidifier. So far, they look like they're going to be blue. I'll make sure I give you guys a close-up picture of them. And I've always had this area blocked off. I don't show that to you guys because, of course, you know, you always want everyone to see your garden at its best. However, when I first planted these, I began to chicken wire them because I just did not want our shepherd to mark them, accidentally break one of the branches. When the squirrels are jumping from tree to tree, he wants to play with them all the time. So in the last couple of weeks, I've been able to get rid of the chicken wire altogether because we have finally planted it so much that he doesn't want to walk through here. And this is kind of the last of what I've wanted to do right here. I bought one of these hostas when I went to Green Hills about 10 months ago, almost a year, and I never planted it. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it. And after, well, because they want a lot of shade and we live somewhere where it's super hot, I thought, well, this might be a perfect addition to right in front of the hydrangeas. They're zone 3 through 9. They can grow up to 2 feet tall and 4 feet wide. So if they start to begin to overpower the hydrangeas, I might have to move them. But for now, I think it's going to be a great addition. I have to say, I really do like how it turned out. We landed up moving the agapanthus. It was right in front of it. And actually, earlier this week, I was trimming the trailing lantana because it was starting to move its way closer to the hydrangeas. And I knew that I didn't want it coming all the way up to the hydrangeas, that I wanted to have something else just in front of them. So as I was trimming the lantana, I kind of forgot that there was that agapanthus. I think it's so small because it didn't have much room to breathe. So we landed up moving that, not sure where I'm going to put it yet. Eventually, the hostas will grow almost up to, well, they will, to the lantana. The one off to the side is the one I purchased a year ago. So that one's not quite as mature as these two. And I'll make sure that I insert some photos of what this place looked like last year, 2 years ago, when there was absolutely nothing here, nothing on the wall. We didn't have this little decorative gate here. I'm really, really happy with how this area is turning out. And then of course with my fountain and having that on in the afternoons and even in the mornings, it's just really peaceful back here. So it's because it's very quiet behind us. We don't have any homes behind us. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. Happy Mother's Day, everybody, and we'll see you soon. Bye.